bad bitch, yeah.
Pink diamond, penny, foot leaf on my wrist. I don't even go to sleep, bitch. I'm up, exercise. Whoa, don't talk, don't speak.
Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your closure unit on a sewing machine. This is a Singer that I'm using, by the way. So first, of course, you want to start off by marking off your caps. I didn't show y'all that. I can make a separate video for that because that's a whole video in itself. But then what you want to do is, depending on how many bundles you're using, you want to double your tracks. So that's what you see me here doing right now. So first you want to start by, you want to place the cap in the wefts of the bundle a little bit ahead of where you're going to start sewing. And then you want to press the reverse button and go back so you can make sure it's stitched in the front, like in the very beginning where you would start. And then after that, you want to just place your foot on the pedal. It's kind of like driving. So you want to place your foot like evenly and steadily on the pedal. And then just make sure you follow the lines. And you don't really want to stretch out your cap, but you do want to like flatten it and smoothen it out, so there's no bulges or bumps or anything in your cap. And then once you keep sewing and then you get to the end of the part where you're sewing at, I hope this is making sense. When you get to the end part where you're sewing at, like right here, want to sew, and make sure you're turning it. You have to guide it. And then I'm going to hit the back stitch part again. So that's just making sure that nothing is coming loose, it's secured. And then you want to just repeat this all over again. I was sewing all of that time and this is still not down. Well, that happens when, because I'm thinking I'm about to pick it up and it's about to be, whole time it's not even sewn down. Now you see there's no more thread in your bobbin. So you want to pop that open. This is your bobbin. That happens when there's no more thread in your bobbin. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to thread up the bobbin. It goes in there and it got a little cover to it. Alright, first I have a big thread, so I got a big thread, so I gotta place mine right here. Alright, so first what you wanna do is lay back. What you wanna do? Alright, you're gonna put this in here. It's a little piece behind this right here. Put it in there. Then you're gonna loop this around this. Bring it around town. Okay, after you bring it around town, you wanna put the thread in past this first thing and inside of the second one. And you just want to pull it out. And you want to pull out a long enough piece. So that you can hold it. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we're going to place this. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you're going to place this on top of here. Click it down. Now, because I have all this extra thread, I'm just going to pull that through. But look, it should look like this. And then we're going to click it, move it over onto that. And then I'm going to press my foot on the pedal. Now watch as I press my foot on the pedal. Okay, so we're basically finished, and now all I have to do is attach the closure. So you're just going to do it how you would with the tracks. You're going to place the closure in the spot where you marked it off at, and then you're just going to sew. You're going to sew, and then once you get to the end part of the closure, you're going to hit the back stitch again. And then after that, that's it, baby. You done. You done made you a whole unit on the sewing machine. This is part 1. Make sure you check out part 2 to see how I bleached it using the bleach bath method and put highlights in it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. Bye, guys.